Well, good morning, everybody. I am coming at you live. I got my blue light blocking glasses on. Have not slept hardly at all. I think I got 3 or 4 hours of sleep last night. So I'm trying to not want to take a nap. I wanted to take a nap and rejuvenate myself, but there's just not enough time. So I've got to flip that switch and tackle the day with intensity. So that's what I'm gonna do. Been printing off the shipping labels for the bricks. We're all just packaging and printing, packaging, and shipping bricks today. Right now I'm signing more of these cards because we need more of these signed, and it's about noon right now. I'm gonna have my one big meal now and see how that affects me for tomorrow's training, and just kind of see how that affects my energy levels. Normally with a big meal like that I would kind of see a dip in energy, but I'm hoping that by having it earlier in the day, around midday, I'll sleep better and I'll wake up and I won't feel heavy. So we'll see how that goes. Catch you in a bit. Alright, so this is what we got for the one meal. We got the, probably going to put a little bit of that dressing on there. And then we have quite a lot of food there. It might not look like that's a ton of food. And then we have a thing of sardines, and also a keto brick is going to go on this as well. There's broccoli in there, there's cauliflower, or no cauliflower, but there's Brussels sprouts, all kinds of goodness. What's going on, y'all? It is raining here in Arkansas. It's been raining all week. We're gonna go check out the Keto Brick crew. I've been in my office all day. Had to get out of that chair. Here we go. What's going on up in here? Hey! We got the whole crew. We got Dylan, we got Crystal. How's it going over here? Signing some cards. So we got Lane in the building. Long lost Lane. Yeah. I haven't met Bryson yet. How's it going, man? Robert, good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, Corey?
What's up, guy?
What's up? Y'all, the bricks have been dropped off at the United States Postal Service. They will be on their way to you tonight. What do you think about that, Dylan?
I made Robert look weak.
Whatever.
I want everybody to know.
He works out, y'all. He works out.
I work out.
Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing, Crystal?
I'm so great.
Cheers. We got all the bricks packaged today. We
Cheers.
got 90% of them shipped out today. The last 10% are getting shipped out tomorrow.
As soon as we possibly can get them to the post office.
So they'll be to y'all pretty quick. We killed it today, honestly.
Yeah.
Our team did awesome. Our team did awesome.
This is the fastest we've ever done. We've ever packaged the bricks, and this is the most we've ever packaged, and they did freaking amazing.
We had my cousin come in, Lane. He hadn't been here in a while. We had
Corey's fiance came in.
Corey's fiance. We had Dylan's roommate.
Yep.
We had all hands on deck, and we kicked butt. Which brings us to the next topic, which is, you can't really see what that whiteboard says, but we're hiring somebody for Keto Brick. We are looking to fill a position.
Who wants to work with us?
Now, so just a little background on this position. We're looking for a project manager, I guess would be the right title. Couple requirements. You have to have experience in management. I want somebody that's got
previous experience.
in management. Like, I want to provide a great foundation for y'all to grow and build and develop, but I want y'all to come to the table with a pretty good bit of experience. You have to be keto. We're gonna do a drug test and a keto test. You have to be able to pass the ketone blood test. You have to be local or willing to travel, like move here. I mean, I want this.
It's not
position.
travel. We want you to either be local or relocate.
Yeah, exactly. We want you to be adaptable, because living the life of a small business and an entrepreneur, like, it's just constantly changing. I mean, you might be sweeping the floors one minute, you might be managing 10 people the next minute, you might be making shirts one minute, you might be making bricks one minute. I mean, it's just going to be crazy.
And the setup of everything that we do is constantly evolving, because we're trying to always do better and better. So that is always changing too.
Yeah, so be forward thinking. Be like, thinking 10 steps ahead. Like, if there's something that can be made more efficient that you discover, I mean, we're open to it. The other requirement is you have to have work ethic and have integrity. Like, those two are a must. If you have neither, then we don't have time for you. So this is basically, like I said, a management position, and it's going to involve, keep cricking my neck here, inventory management. So tracking, how much inventory we have on hand, how much of the ingredient supplies we have, how much we need to order, how many keto bricks we have that are finished, how many keto bricks we have that are partial, just like all that goes into inventory management, how many shipping boxes we have, how many we need to order, all of that good stuff. Scheduling of the employees. Right now we have 3 full-time people. We had 7, and then some of them
went to school.
Yeah, some of them are part-time.
It's crazy.
Not part-time, but all in school basically. So basically overseeing our employees and making sure that they're good to go. Which, speaking of, you have to jive well with our crew.
Yes.
Like, our crew is our heartbeat, and like, we love our crew. We've got a great crew. I'm super proud of them. It's Kayla, Dylan, and Corey. And
if you do not, they will be the ones interviewing you, because
they'll
y'all
interview
need
you
to
as well.
get along.
Yeah, you got to pass the test with Crystal. You got to pass the test with our crew. You got to pass the test with me. And we all got to work together. You got to be able to delegate tasks to them. Anything that needs to be done, kind of be forward thinking and make sure they're good to go. And shipping and fulfillment. So printing off the shipping labels and packaging and fulfilling those orders like we did all day today. And you have to be a great leader. Kind of going back to what I was saying about jiving well with our team. Like, we are all on a team. There's not like this hierarchy of power. You don't have any right to like talk down to anybody. I don't talk down to my crew. I don't want anybody talking down to anybody. Like, we're all on the same team here. And that's basically what the job itself entails. Huge bonus points though, if you have any skills with video and photo editing or content creation, whether like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Premiere, all that would be a huge plus. But again, not part of the actual position. So if you don't have those, we're definitely still interested. But if you do have those, that's awesome. And then social media experience, like content creation as it relates to Instagram, YouTube, stuff of that nature.
And not like, maybe you're not like your own, but a little bit of a step up, and like how to maneuver around everything and how to promote things. Yeah, that kind of thing.
So, other details. We're thinking around $20 an hour for this position. So $20 an hour, and cost of living in Arkansas is not much.
Cheap.
So that's pretty. I think minimum wage
here. If this shows you,
what is minimum wage here? Like $8 something.
Yeah, $8 something, and our gas prices right now currently are $1.81.
Yeah, so that gives you a little perspective on the location if you decide to relocate. And we are also, what else? There's something else.
It's definitely full time.
Yeah, full time.
Definitely full time.
There was one other thing though, wasn't there? Oh, if you're interested, send us your resume.
Oh yeah.
To the email address info@ketobrick.com. That's info@ketobrick.com. And do all caps in the subject line, and make the subject line, what would be a good subject line?
Application. Job application.
Job application. Yeah. That way we can find it easy.
I will be the one that's going to read through them first, and then Robert and I will sit down together and go through them all.
Yes.
But we're really excited. So even if you think there's a chance, just throw it our way.
Yeah, we are super excited about this. Like, I want to, you know, bring somebody on that's keto, that's in the space, that's watching these YouTube videos anyways. It's like gung-ho about this lifestyle and wants to be a part of it. I feel like we'd have a great opportunity for you. Yeah. And it comes with certain job perks. For instance,
Keto Bricks.
You have unlimited Keto Bricks. And we're building a gym right now, so you have access to the gym, and then you'll just have access to be able to like content create and collab with us, and you know, leverage our following and anything that comes with that. So yeah, should be pretty good. Let us know what you think.
Even if you have someone you think might be interested, just share this video with them, share the email with them, and yeah, we are really excited. I'm really excited because like a lot of those are my jobs.
Yeah.
So if I get someone to like fulfill those and get them down really well, then I'm able to do a lot of other things for the business and for Robert and that kind of thing. So
yeah.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, because ideally we want to be able to like right now when I go to a conference, she's stuck here managing and doing all those things. Like I'd prefer her to be able to come to the conference with me and then feel like everything here is under control. Yeah,
that's definitely a big thing is like we have to 100% trust the person that we're leaving this in the hands of, because there are going to be times where we are just not going to be here and that person needs to completely take over and we need to make sure that we just really, really trust them.
Yeah. So let us know. Shoot us an email and we're excited. So we'll talk to you soon.
Take talk.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Keto Brick team is growing.
Cheers to you guys.
Cheers to you guys and gals.
Yes.
Adios.